Aloha nui kākou. This is Daven Chang with the Mālama I Nā Ahupuaʻa program. The Mālama I Nā Ahupuaʻa program, or the MINA program, is a program under Access Engagement, which is a larger service learning program under the College of Social Sciences at the University of Hawaiʻi at Mānoa. So I've come to you today to tell you a little bit about our program and how it works. So the Mālama I Nā Ahupuaʻa program, or the MINA program for short, is a service learning program that is organized and run by instructors such as Dr. Ulla Hasager, who is our director, and the help of student coordinators such as myself and others, and community partners, which are the many sites that we work with. The MINA program integrates cultural, historical, environmental, sustainable, and traditional learning, and we help with the restoration, maintenance, documentation, and oral history collection. The program works with a number of community partners and sites, and we aim to create and develop a sense of place by creating a fund of knowledge and practical experiences for our participants, as well as to develop long-term and meaningful relationships between our participants and our community partners. So mahalo nui for having me. Mālama pono, aloha, and ahui ho.
My name is Jessica Cardenas, and I'm here for service learning through Chaminade University with UH-Manoa. With Mālama I Nā Ahupuaʻa, it's a way to learn in depth more about the land. Although I'm born and raised here in Hawaii and Oahu, being connected to the land it feels good. It feels good giving back to the land and to learn about different places.
What I learned in this class is how to take initiative and take the small steps and tasks that you may think is minute, but it may not make a difference, but it really does make a difference. And if you do take care of the land, it does take care of you. And so that's what I learned.
This whole experience actually impacted all of us. To learn about something in the lab or in the classroom is totally different from actually going out and experiencing it. Because, I mean, you can write papers 1,000 times about something, but until you actually go out and do what you're writing about, it doesn't have as much of an impact on you. So, yeah, definitely learning about the invasive species and how they're impacting the environment and what we can do to kind of prevent it or maybe help was good to learn in class, but going out in the field and actually doing the physical work was, I think, a lot more meaningful for everybody.
Aloha, my name is Kovehi, and I'm a senior in the Ethnic Studies department. How can I relate the Mālama I Nā Ahupuaʻa to my class? Let's just say that it's really hands-on and I really enjoyed it. What we learned in class, we learned about the native struggles that the islanders and the indigenous people have been going through for many years, and actually being in the community, it really shows me it's still happening right now and the people are still fighting, and it kind of inspires me to be that leader for the next generation, to kāko'o and just malama, malama our people, malama our aina. And I'm really glad I was a part of it this semester, and I hope to be a part of it next semester as well.